Capture exceptional image quality with the Olympus SZ31MR IHS. Jam-packed with features, this is the ideal camera for every shooting situation. Featuring a 16-megapixel CMOS sensor, a 24x optical zoom, and 3-inch high-resolution LCD, now you can get crisp, clear images like never before. Combining the exceptional picture quality of two TruePic image processors with a high-sensitivity, high-speed backside illuminated CMOS sensor, Olympus IHS technology lets you capture photos exactly as you see them, even at night or in low-light situations. Now multitasking is easier. Simultaneously capture photos and videos of varying sizes and definitions for playback or sharing. Even flex your creative muscles with one of 12 in-camera Magic Art filter effects for dynamic photos or video. Get up close and personal thanks to an amazing 24x optical zoom. The camera's slim design hides a powerful 48x super resolution zoom for reaching new distances, and a scene-stealing 25mm wide-angle lens, ideal for action shots and beautiful landscapes. At the touch of a button, now you can shoot brilliant, high-quality 1080p full HD video. Shoot twice the frame rate of most conventional cameras for slow-motion playback. HDMI output and control lets you play back your videos on the big screen with HD picture quality and clear stereo sound. Simply connect to your TV and view from the comfort of your couch. And for fast-moving subjects like sports events or kids, high-speed sequential shooting lets you capture frame-by-frame action up to an astounding 60 frames per second. Now you can see every moment from the kick to the goal. Amazing picture quality and performance for all life's amazing adventures with the Olympus SZ31MR IHS.